Hello students, I am Manu Pandit. I am going to explain class 8 subject science chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is crop production and management. This is the name of the chapter, crop production and management. But inside chapter 1, crop production and management, I am going to describe harvesting, threshing and winnowing and storage. So first of all, harvesting. I am going to describe about harvesting. So harvesting is the cutting. Harvesting is the cutting and the gathering of mature crops. Harvesting is the cutting and gathering of mature crops from field. That means harvesting is the cutting and gathering of mature crops from the field. It is harvesting. Fruits and vegetables can be harvested manually. Fruits and vegetables can be harvested manually or mechanically and either sold immediately or stored in a cold storage until for future use. Once again try to understand. Harvesting is the cutting and the gathering of mature crops from field. Fruits and vegetables can be harvested manually. Fruits and vegetables can be harvested manually or mechanically and either sold immediately or stored in cold storage for future use. In small farms, grains are harvested manually using sickles. In small farms, in small range, in small farms, what happens? Grains are harvested manually using sickle. Sickle is an instrument to harvest the crops. In large farms, it is done using expensive and sophisticated farm machinery like combine harvester. But in large farm, there is advanced machine are used by farmer such as combine harvester which help with both harvesting and threshing. So like this, crops are harvested and collected from the field. So after explaining harvesting, I am going to describe threshing and winnowing. So in the topic threshing and winnowing, threshing is the process of just loosening the edible part of grain from the surrounding scaly inedible chaff. So threshing is the process of just loosening the edible part. Threshing is the process of loosening edible part of grain from the surrounding scaly inedible chaff. One method of threshing involves beating a grain on the threshing floor. One method of threshing is the beating the grains on the threshing floor. Another traditional method is to place the harvested material on a hard surface. And to make farm animals such as cattle or donkey walk on circle. That means harvested material are placed on hard surface and allow to animals move in circles on the harvested chaff. Then what happened? However, in developed areas, threshing is now mostly done with a combine harvester. So that means it develop an area. That means it develop a certain area. So harvesting is done by the combine harvester in large area, in mostly. So I am telling about wind winnowing. So wind winnowing is a method of separating grain chaff from the throwing the mixture into the air with the winnowing fan. There is winnowing fan and one person taking the chaff and blown from upper side and with the help of winnowing fan chaff is separated and grain is also separate. What happened? Winnowing method. Wind winnowing is a method of separating grain from chaff by throwing the mixture into the air with the winnowing fan. The chaff, being lighter, is blown away by the wind. Chaff is lighter, not heavier. Chaff is lighter, so blown away by the winnowing fan by the wind, while the heavier grains fall down. For the recovery, insect waste can also be removed from stored grains with this method. So, this is my explanation about threshing and winnowing. But lastly I am telling you about storage. So, food products obtained from crops have to be preserved and stored for future use. Food products are obtained from crops that will be stored and conserved for future use. But how? Proper storage ensures that food is free from infestation by fungi and insects. Proper storage should be free from infestation by fungi, infection by fungi, attack by fungi and insect. The produce that can be made available throughout the year and transported to different places easily by the process of storage. So this is my explanation from chapter 1, harvesting, threshing and winnowing and storage. I think that this much enough.